Hey everybody. So, I got some news about the Vegas Pro 18 giveaway. And unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to give away Vegas Pro 18 Edit. I know, I've already made the video for it and everything, and I apologize about that. If I could take that back, I would. You know, after speaking with Vegas Creative Software and the Magic's team and who provided the copy for it, it turns out they're not going to be able to give me a copy of Vegas Pro 18. But instead, I spoke to them and they're actually going to give me a copy for the full-on version of Vegas Post, which is the huge post-production software that includes Vegas Image, Vegas Pro, and Vegas Effects. So you are getting Vegas Pro 18, but also you're getting Vegas Effects and Vegas Image all in one software suite that normally costs $1,000. So that is the new updated change to the giveaway. Now this is very important. If you have already entered the giveaway for the Vegas Pro 18 for that video right over there, don't enter again for this one because you're already in the Vegas Post giveaway. I've moved all of the entries to there. So do not enter again if you've already entered the Vegas Pro 18 giveaway. I'll be scanning for duplicate entries, and that is considered cheating if I find you have more than one entry. And so I don't want you to be ejected from this giveaway. So just to be clear, if you've already entered the Vegas Pro 18 giveaway, then you are already automatically included in the Vegas Post giveaway. So if you haven't entered any of my most recent giveaways, the rules are very simple. Just comment on this video, go to scrapyardfilms.com, click the enter giveaway button, fill out that form, and then I will verify you to make sure you're a real person. And then after that, we're good to go. I'll be doing a live stream of the giveaway along with a bunch of other prizes. So join me on that date to be determined. It's going to be probably about a week after the giveaway ends. So thanks again for watching, everybody, and good luck.